this lesson on mean, median, mode, and range. These are all measures of center when we're looking at data and how we're organizing them and best describing a set of data. In the center, in the box to remember, I describe how to find each one of these. So we have the mean, or the average, which we find the sum of the data values, which means we add them, and divide by the number of data values. Then we have the median, which is the middle number as long as the numbers are in order. Then we have the mode, which is the one that's the most often. And last but not least is our range, which is the difference between the greatest and the least. That means we're subtracting the biggest number minus the smallest number. So let's go look at example number 1 over here on the left. Here are a bunch of quiz grades, and they want us to find the mean, which just is the average. So what I need to do to find the mean is I need to add all of these numbers up. So I'm doing 98 plus 85 plus 90 plus 75 plus 88 plus 95 plus 88 plus 93. And I'm getting 712 when I add those all up. Then I want to divide those numbers by how many I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 quiz grades. So I'm going to divide that by 8. And I get that my average is an 89. The average or mean. So you can use those words interchangeably. Now when we jump over to the right side here, we're going to find the other data values. We need to find the median, the mode, and the range. Now in order to find the median, we need to put these numbers in order. Okay, so looking at the numbers here on the left, I see the smallest number is 75, so I'm going to list that one first. Then I look at my 80s. I have an 85, an 88, two 88s. Then I have a 90, a 93, a 95, and a 98. And I always double check that there were 8 numbers, so I make sure I have 8 numbers here. 7, 8, there are 8 numbers. So my median is the one that falls right in the middle. Well, the median would actually fall in between these two numbers where I have 4 to the left and 4 to the right. So I have to find the middle number between 88 and 90. Well, if I think about a number line, I know that the middle number is 89. But if you didn't know, you could add the two together. You're basically finding the average of the two. And then you could divide that by 2, and you would get 89. The mode is the one that comes the most often. So I'm looking for any repeats. Sometimes you'll say no mode if there is none, but in this case we have 2 88s, so my mode is 88. Lastly, my range is the largest number, which is 98. Take away my smallest number, which is 75, and I will get 23. So those are all data values that tell us about our set of numbers. So it tells us about these quiz grades. It tells us the average is about an 89. It tells us the median number is also an 89, where it falls right in the middle. The mode, the quiz grade that occurred the most often, was an 88, and the range, how they span, how they spread out, is 23 percentage points. I hope that this video has helped you and will help you complete the rest of the worksheet. I look forward to seeing you again in another one. Bye for now.